In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to restore your missing contacts and make sure everything is syncing properly. First, open your phone's Settings app by swiping up and accessing your Apps menu. Scroll down and tap on Google. From there, select All Services. Then look for Google Contacts Sync. Make sure Contact Syncing is turned on. You can also tap Sync Now to manually refresh your contacts and ensure they're fully updated. Once that's done, open your Contacts app and check if your contacts have returned. If they're still missing, the issue could be related to which contact list is being displayed. In the Contacts app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and choose the account you want to view. Try selecting your Google account or choose All Contacts to display every saved contact. Another common reason contacts disappear is app permissions. If contacts are missing only in a certain app, head back into Settings and open Security and Privacy. Then tap Permission Manager and select Contacts. Find the app that's having the issue and make sure contact access is allowed. Once permissions are enabled, reopen the app and check if your contacts appear again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.